when you're setting up your height sensors for the first time and the car isn't calibrated, you'll notice that all your presets are not lit up. You'll also find too that in most cases your sensors will be up and down in the opposite direction, or they may actually be in the same direction. It just depends on the orientation of the sensor. So at the moment we're fully lifted in the back and fully lifted in the front, and you can see that we're past the 3/4 mark here between the 2.5 and the 4.5, and also on this one here we're down below the quarter mark. So what we do is we go in, now that we've got our maximum pressure, we set calibration, it'll ask us to continue, we set it all up and we hit start. And what it'll do now is it'll drop, and it's checking, the first thing it's checking is the travel, that the vehicle is within the range. You can see now that the needles are facing in the opposite direction, and once it's satisfied that the vehicle's aired out, you'll notice this one's got 6 psi in it. You won't always get 0, but you'll be fairly close. It just depends on the way it's set up. And now that the system has started and gone back up, you can see the needles have now reversed, and they're now reading in the orientation of when the vehicle is up, the needles will be up here, and when the vehicle is down, the needles will be down here. And that's essentially what you need to know as far as when you set up your height sensors. You don't necessarily have to have them facing the way up and down. The system will automatically work it out, and it'll invert the ones that need to be inverted.